So this is a flap door straightening gadget that has been developed by Boxen ROH Depot Gutti, Guntakal Division, South Central Railway. We have used 6 brake cylinders over here with an isolating cork on each brake cylinder and a pressure of 5 to 6 kg per centimeter square we'll be providing. And now we'll demonstrate how this works. So we have taken a door which is bent a lot. If this door will be used in a normal wagon, we cannot close this door because of the bend, it will not reach to the gravity quarter. So as you can see, it is completely bent over here in the center portion, and this door is in general conditions we will scrap this door. It will be of no use and a new door will be placed instead of that. So after using this flat door gadget, we can straighten this door and we can reuse it again. So now we'll start the demonstration. So we have placed this door. We'll start the pressure. As you can see, immediately all the brake cylinders, because none of them were isolated, so all of them have pressed at the ends. We'll again lift up the brake cylinder by releasing the pressure. So as you can see, it has straightened about 50 to 60%. Now we'll reverse the door and again press it. So stop. See, the bend has been removed almost 60 to 70%. Now we are reversing it. Quality, yeah?